Good morning. This is a short video about how to use the configurator to set up a camera system. Please adjust the browser resolution until you see the Apply Selection button. In order to use the configurator, we need first to select the camera using the Camera Selection menu. You can additionally use the input parameter to pre-filter the camera selection by speed. Press the button Apply Selection. Now you can select a matching camera. Now you need to enter the application data that will be used to calculate the appropriate lenses. Additional data can be entered. You can now select a lens. The application data are used to calculate the optical parameters for the lens selection. Only lenses that match these parameters are displayed. Remember to change the application data if you are targeting a specific lens. The lenses could be visualized according to different criteria. It is also possible to reduce the number of lenses displayed. The last parameter enables the display of lenses that require standard components or those that require customized components. Select a lens from the list. Here you can set the aperture and the circle of confusion. On the right side, we can see a detailed view about the system components. On the left, the system is drawn for one camera, including the field of view and depth of field. If you wish to change the camera or the lens, click on either boxes and you will be forwarded to the corresponding selection menu. By clicking on View Multi-Camera System, you can see the drawing of the full system. Move to the next page to add accessories. Here you can duplicate the full system if needed. Add other accessories needed for the application. The basket is updated automatically. Click on Request to visualize the full selection. Here you can review the components and add a comment or question if needed. Click on Send to finish the process.